Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be printing money with crypto trading while others lose everything overnight? Well, here's the truth. The winners are not necessarily smarter, they are just using smarter tools. In this video, I am going to show you how regular people just like you are using artificial intelligence to build a crypto trading side hustle that actually works. This is not about gambling. This is not about YOLOing your savings into random altcoins. This is about building a calculated system, a method that uses AI to analyze trends, reduce risks, and help you make smarter trades even if you are not an expert. By the end of this video, you're going to have a clear blueprint to start your own AI-assisted crypto trading side hustle. Let us get started. Step 1. Understand why AI changes the game first. Let us talk about the problem. Most beginner traders lose money because they trade based on emotions, greed, fear, and hype. Professional traders win because they use data. They analyze charts, patterns, and market psychology. But guess what? AI can now do that for you. Tools like CryptoHopper 3, and Bitsgap are using machine learning algorithms to scan thousands of data points in real time. These AI systems can detect trends, set automatic buy and sell signals, and even adjust your portfolio automatically. It is like having a Wall Street level trading desk but in your pocket. Step 2. Choose the right AI trading bot. So, how do you start? First, you need to pick the right AI tool. Let me break down 3 options for you. 1. CryptoHopper. This is great for beginners. It has preset strategies, automatic trading, and backtesting tools so you can practice before risking real money. 3. This one is for slightly advanced users. It allows you to create custom trading bots with DCA strategies, grid trading, and smart trading terminals. Bitsgap if you are into arbitrage or grid trading. Bitsgap helps you trade on multiple exchanges simultaneously, using AI to find the best prices. Most of these platforms connect directly to your Binance to Coin or Coinbase account through API keys. That means you are still in full control of your funds. They cannot withdraw your money. They can only trade based on your instructions. Step 3. Set up a strategy. This means the bot will buy small amounts of crypto at different prices to reduce your risk. Now, do not just let the AI trade randomly. You need to set clear rules. Most AI platforms allow you to do this with just one click. Here is a simple, beginner-friendly system. Use dollar cost averaging. Set stop loss and take profit limits. This prevents emotional panic selling or greedy holding. Backtest your strategy using historical data before going live. Remember, the goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to build consistent, small profits that add up over time. Step 4. Use AI for market research. Trading is not just about placing orders. It is about knowing what is happening in the market. That is where tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and TradingView AI indicators come in. Use ChatGPT with crypto plugins to analyze recent news, spot emerging trends, or summarize market conditions. That is not news. Use Perplexity AI to scan forums, Twitter feeds, and financial blogs for sentiment analysis. Use TradingView's AI-powered indicators to spot technical patterns you might have missed. This helps you stay ahead of the game without spending hours reading charts or news articles. Step 5. Manage your risk. Crypto is volatile, but AI can help you manage your risk better. Here is how. Set up AI-powered portfolio trackers like CoinStats or Coinly to monitor your profits and losses. Use trailing stop losses so your bot can secure profits when the market moves up, but exit gracefully if it drops. Diversify across multiple coins and strategies. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. This makes your side hustle sustainable, not stressful. Step 6. Automate your earnings. Once your AI trading system starts generating small, steady profits, consider automating your earnings further. It is accessible, manageable, and, if done right, profitable. Use auto-convert features in exchanges to convert profits into stablecoins like USDT. Set up a recurring transfer to a savings account or another investment. Some platforms like CryptoHopper or Binance allow you to stake your stablecoins for passive interest. This turns active trading into passive income over time. So, there you have it. Starting a crypto trading side hustle with AI is no longer something reserved for tech geniuses. But remember, do not treat this like a casino. Treat it like a business. Use data, use AI, and stay disciplined. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI plus finance content, and share this with someone who wants to make smarter moves with crypto. This is Byte helping you turn your time into real wealth. See you in the next one.